Hey, what's up, Cardmunity? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. Today we are going to be doing this look. It is inspired by the movie Jurassic World. Not sponsored. I wish it was. It's not. I'm gonna go sling it this evening, and I wanted to do a funky eye look for it. So this is the look that I got. And if you're interested in how to get it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion, so that's already been done. I also put some milk cooling water underneath my eyes because it is a disgustingly hot day, and my whole face is sweaty, so this glow is all natch. Okay, so I'm gonna use a couple different palettes to create this look. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Charm to start, and I think I'll go in with just a fluffier kind of brush like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the color right under it called Military. So I'm gonna go into this one right here. And I'm gonna go in with like a flat. Gwendol, where are you? Okay, I don't know. An SL Miss Glam Precise Blending Brush. It's like a flat, smaller blender. I'm going back in with a fluffy blending brush and just blending those together. I'm gonna go back into this eye with this guy, but I'm gonna wet it and see if that helps, because this eye, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but like in person, this eye seems way more like dark and rich and green than this eye does. So I'm gonna wet the brush and see if that makes a difference. I'm just gonna wet it with some Wet n Wild setting spray. I don't know, it seems to be muddying it. Okay, we're just gonna go in with the first brush that I used. Just build it. Okay, that's good enough for now. So next we're gonna go out of Androgyny and we're gonna go into Violet Voss Pro Like a Boss. And we're gonna go, whoa, I'm dropping everything. I'm gonna go into the color Royal and put that on the lid. I'm gonna use like a flat synthetic brush for that. Oh, that's not working at all. Okay. we're gonna go in again with Military and try to blend those two colors together a little better. I don't know how I feel about that. We're gonna take a little bit of Poison. We're gonna take a little bit of Poison, which is right here, and we're gonna throw that up there too, because we're getting a little crazy. Okay. Now we're gonna clear away. Let's use this guy. We're gonna clear away the fallout, because, girl, there's a good chunk of it. Okay. We're gonna conceal, because there's a lot happening and it needs help. So we're gonna go in with some Bye Bye Breakout Full Concealer. I use this under my eyes because I just need the coverage. Wait, what color is that? Damn it. This is the wrong color. This is the wrong color. We're just gonna have a mix mash. We're just gonna have a struggle time for a minute. It'll be fine. Okay, well, that's a mess. That's fine. I'm gonna set it with some powder. My contacts are not happy right now. There's a lot happening. Ooh, hello, hello, hello. There's powder in my eye. There's powder in my retina. Okay. Now that we have figured that out, sort of, we are gonna go into the under eye area with let's start with Military. So we're gonna go in with our little pencil brush and we're gonna go into this guy. And we're just gonna run him along. And then, oh, there's a lot of powder in the air right now. She is not clean. Whatever. She's close enough. Okay. We're gonna go back into Poison with this little shader brush. And we're gonna just dip in there. I don't know if this brush is actually possibly too big. That's fine. And we're gonna dust her underneath as well. And I'm focusing her more on the outer corner. Okay. And now we will line our eye. So I'm using a Gosh pencil in Blue Moon. She looks like that. She looks like that. And I am gonna stick her under here. There. Okay. Actually, I have this little angly guy. Let's see if I can. She's good enough. Okay, so we're not gonna use that. Now, lastly, we need some lashes. I'm gonna use my good old Wet n Wild Renegade Lash Renegade. We're gonna curl and we're gonna separate them as well. I got this at Marshall's. It's from the Cream Shop, and it's a gold brush. Well, that's it. So this is the complete look. I don't know, it's not quite what I had anticipated, but I don't hate it. Is it my best work? No, but I'll accept it. I didn't put anything else on my face. I just wanted to do my eyes. Yeah, if you are a if you are a Jurassic Park enthusiast like myself, then let me know if you tried out this look, if you had your own look. There's a lot of powder on my face, I'm just realizing now, so that looks really good. I tried this concealer with this stuff before and it didn't look great either. So if you have this concealer, don't use it with an HD powder. It doesn't look good together. But with that being said, yeah, I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have a look like this. Tag me in a picture if you do it on Instagram. And until we meet again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.